All processes here, MMA, TIG, MIG, and flux core. Okay. So education is good because education now mainly they're going into flux core. I don't know about Thailand, but Malaysia, Indonesia, they're going into flux core. Not so much on as well. So it's the main product for this is for student. We're looking at student. Why? If you look at our previous, if you go to school, they have many welding bays, right? So they have for MMA, MMA 10, MIG 10, TIG 10, so separate. So when the student comes, they always will go separate 10, 10, 10. But with this machine, a bit more expensive, you put 30. Student goes in, can do all this. Just switch and accessories. Machine at the bottom, accessories at the top. MIG, MIG, take the torch, do MIG, flux core. You finish, put it back, flick, electrode, smile, welding. So you have 30 welding bays not wasted. Any product, any training you can go. So this is the advantage. Aluminium, ACBC, stainless steel, teak, no problem. You can change anytime. You can see this machine. If you do this inverter technology, it's IGBT. It's not the traditional transformer or thyristor. It's not that heavy. 2% can take this machine. Okay, the specs are in the machine. So it's a CCCV machine. Important is just to CCCV. So DC positive, negative. So there is we're working on the pulse. Mid pulse. It's not thick pulse. Thick pulse is already there. Okay. So for inverter, carbon steel, all this is there. Not a problem. So we will go for DC arc welding. DC arc welding, this is the specification. Okay, it's 300 amp output DC. You have a DC 300 amp, no load voltage is 80 with a OCV 80, very good for 7018, 7016 electrodes. For if you do pipe for school, it's good for pipe welding. So, and this DC, they have a good thing about this machine, they have CC and CV, right? So usually electrode welding we go for CC, but now we can control the CV voltage. In CV form, we also can do electrode welding. It's not many machines have this function. This function is very good for school also. Okay, if you look at this, we have an external wire feeder. This is for MIG welding. This is the feeder here. This is the feeder. But the feeder we can choose, there's many types. This is a closed type, European design type. You want an open type like the Panasonic OTC? We also have European. Yeah. You want to cover like this. Okay. So the torches, I think you have torches everything.
Yeah.
Probably we'll give you the power source.
Only.
Give the wiring. Feeder you have yourself?
Yeah.
You have, okay. We give you the wiring, you do it by yourself. So you just buy the power source. All this you have, right? Don't I see many in your warehouse.
We are all have all.
Okay. So only I give you power source. Okay, that is good enough. Because the wiring is only trigger for WAF. Okay. We have a video for this. We'll show you the video later on. This one for TIG. TIG is this process. So carbon steel, aluminum, titanium, everything okay. No problem. It's with what you call continuous crater, MMA. So there's 2 MMA, 1 MMA from TIG, 1 MMA from MIG. So CC on top, CV at the bottom. 2 technology different. If you look at this TIG, mainly TIG is very similar to Hitachi design. The functions, pulse, high pulse, low pulse. And then we have this pulse frequency module, AC cleaning, positive, negative, everything is there. It's the standard, okay, for TIG. If you look at here, these are the connections. People may ask why our machine, this machine, so many functions, where to plug. So all can run together. You can plug in everything. This is for MIG, you see. This is for T, and then this is for MMA. So all you can plug the machine put at the bottom. We put the rack in a welding bay like 6 feet. Feeder, MMA, T.
Oh.
So take to finish put back. Switch.
Right.
Here, there's a switch here. MMA on top, MMA on top, TIG, and then the bottom CV, MIG, pulse. We are working on the pulse. Hopefully by another 2 months, 2 to 3 months, we're doing single pulse right now. Within the next couple of months, we hope to have this technology, because we hope that this technology will not only in school, we can go for different market, private markets, yeah, private industries. So these are basic, okay? We have creator function for MIGs, okay? So we have continuous. Then this is for T. All the functions are here, okay? Normal, start, up slope, base current, pulse, same. It's all there for school, for aluminum training. Then we have high frequency and low pulse, high pulse and low pulse, okay? Pulse width, we also is the same. Pulse width control. Pulse frequency. And then cleaning the effect, positive, negative. Yeah, penetration. Gas check, normal, is there. AC/DC. So this is the main function of this machine. The video